In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily clean your PS5 controller and keep it looking brand new. If there's one thing that Sony does not want you to know, it's how unbelievably dirty and discolored your PS5 controller will get over time with regular use. In fact, most PlayStation 5 users will regret and wish they did this sooner because eventually your PS5 controller can become completely discolored. If you haven't already, take your DualSense controller and flip it over. With even just a few weeks of use, you will begin to notice some discoloration. Luckily, you can keep your PlayStation 5 controller looking brand new by just following these quick and easy steps once a month. To clean your PS5 controller and prevent discoloration, you will need a microfiber towel or t-shirt, a general purpose electronics cleaner, and just a few moments of your time. I've currently been using the N-Dust Screen and Electronics Cleaner. It works really well and it's labeled as safe for use on game consoles and controllers. It is worth mentioning that Sony does not recommend cleaning your controller with any kind of sprays or chemical treatments, and instead to use just a clean and dry cloth. However, I personally found that this doesn't effectively clean or prevent your PS5 controller from getting dirty, which is why I've decided to use a gentle cleaning spray at my own risk. The one I use is specifically labeled as safe for gaming controllers, so I'd assume that any risk of damage is fairly low, if none at all. Step 1 is to lightly spray a microfiber towel with the cleaner of your choice. Locate the area of the controller that needs cleaning and gently wipe away any dirt and discoloration. If you've opted against using a spray or liquid cleaner, you can still buff away most of the dirt and discoloration, but it will require just a bit more effort. Pay close attention to the textured parts of your controller, as these areas tend to be the dirtiest. Repeat the process if necessary, and make sure to wipe away any excess cleaner. Once finished, you'll notice that any discoloration that was there before should be completely gone. Remember to check your PS5 controller at least every few weeks, because eventually you will have to clean it again. But that's it, it's literally that simple. If you just follow these quick and easy steps once a month, your PS5 controller will stay looking brand new. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.